Hi, how is everybody? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to make popcorn dance. And the way to do this is to take some popcorn kernels. We're going to take water, which I already have ready to go in my cup. We're going to take some vinegar, which I have a quarter cup of that. We're going to take some popcorn kernels, which I've shown you already. I have them in my little cup ready to go. And we're going to take a tablespoon of baking powder. And we're going to start, and you can use a jar, a tall glass. I'm using a glass vase. And we're going to start by pouring our water into the vase. Try not to make a mess. And we're going to take our tablespoon of baking soda and put that in the jar. And we're going to mix it up until it's all dissolved. Just for like 30 seconds or so. Okay. And then we are going to toss in our popcorn kernels. And I used a little bit less than a quarter cup because I don't think you need that much. And now we're slowly going to take our vinegar and put it in. And can you see what's happening here? I'll add a little bit more. A little bit more. Oh no! It might overflow. Can you see the popcorn kernels? They're starting to dance. Let's add a little bit more vinegar and see if we can get some more of them moving. Here they go. And that's how you make popcorn dance. And do you know why the popcorn is dancing? It's because the vinegar and baking soda create carbon dioxide. And so all those bubbles you see attached to the popcorn kernels, bring them up, and when the bubbles pop, the kernels go back down again. And that's how you make popcorn dance. And just so everyone knows, we at Gladwin are making grab-and-go bags so that you can learn how to make popcorn dance on your own at home. What you also might like to try is figure out, so watch your popcorn dance, and I think this lasts about 10 minutes. Then, what happens if you shake it? Will they dance faster? Will they dance more? What happens when all the bubbles pop and the popcorn goes down to the bottom and stays there? What if you add more baking soda, more vinegar, both? What happens? Let us know and have fun experimenting.